Yo, so I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to make, well, how I was able to profit $3,000 this morning trading gold. It was really a quite simple trade, man. I take these setups time and time again. As you can see, we had this counter trend line, descending trend line coming down on gold, and I was just simply waiting on a breakout. Okay, as you can see, we broke out the trend line, and from here, I was just getting ready, just, you know what I'm saying, getting prepared. I already knew what I was looking for. I saw all this bullish momentum during the morning, heading into New York session. This was like around 6 o'clock. We had this breakout. We broke outside this counter trend line. So at this point, I'm like, okay, 9 times out of 10, I'm looking for long positions because we got bullish momentum this morning. So I was looking for a position on where I could get in. I was simply just waiting on a retest of this counter trend line and also a retracement. And I had my risk to reward around 1 to 3. It was something like this. I forgot how many pips I went for exactly, but I always trade a 1-3 risk to reward. I'm very disciplined with where I enter the market and where I get out. So basically, okay, there we go. We had the retest coming of this counter trend line, as you can see. And boom, it was that simple, you guys. $3,000 made on this trade right there. I risked 1,000 for a reward of 3,000. And as you can see, this is a funded account. I'm currently up 8.5% for the month. How you know it's a funded account? There is no profit target. My trading history right here, as you can see, this is from today's date. I entered in 1913, and I made 2,700. I think I closed just shy of 3,000, but it's all good. Yo, what's good? Mike Will P checking back in, and today I'm gonna talk to you guys about, look at that light. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys about basically where I'm at in my journey right now as far as trading full time, and like when you should make that decision to go full time with your trading. So I quit my job. I'd probably say, I quit my job probably about 3 months ago, maybe. And I say I've been trading full time for the past 3 months, and it's been going good. Why did I decide to quit my job and trade full time? Because I feel like if I was working a job while trading this funded account, I wouldn't be seeing the results I'm seeing right now. I feel like my results, like they great because I made the decision to quit my job. The first month, the first profit split I got, I did 4%, which I brought home like 2,700. And this month, I'm currently up 8.5%. So I'm gonna bring home like 6,000 after my profit split. If I quit trading, my profit split is next week. So, and I look at it like this: if I would have been working a job, see, when I was working a job, I was just working in a little warehouse or whatever, and I wasn't making number like $14 an hour. So that was bringing me to about $500 a week, which is about $2,000 a month. Basically nothing. So I was like, man, I know trading this funding account, working with this prop firm, at the bare minimum, if I do at least 5% a month, that's gonna be at least about 3,000, 3,200 or something like that. So I like, I'm just gonna take the chance. If I fail, I could just get another job. And I feel like that's how you gotta look at a lot of situations, man. You can't be scared to, you know what I'm saying, put yourself out of your comfort zone and just take that leap of faith. And like, this ain't the first time I didn't quit my job and tried to trade full time. I done did it a lot of other times in the past, but what makes it different from any other time is because I actually have a contract with a prop firm. So I feel like I'm actually going about it the right way this time, instead of just having a little money saved up in the bank and trying to over leverage my accounts. I'm using somebody else's money to make profits and support my lifestyle. And so far it's good, man. I say I've been trading for this prop firm for 2-3 months now, and I already made over $8,000. That's damn good. I know I wouldn't have made that much if I was working a job, man. But I must also say this too. Like, ain't nothing in the world like your time freedom, man. Like, ain't nothing like it. Like, just being able to wake up every day, spend the whole day with my kids, and not have to just rush to get to work and all that. Man, the feeling is irreplaceable, man. So just looking back at everything I did, or everything I've been through just to get to this moment, I'm forever grateful. Like, no cap, I'm really grateful just to be in the situation I'm in right now. And I know as long as I do what I'm supposed to do, it's just gonna get better and better. Like, for real, it's gonna get better and better. Like, I know if you guys watched my last video, I was going basically talking about how I lost $8,000 on the funding account. I done made all that back plus more, because my psychology is where it need to be. Like, I just had to take a step back, reevaluate my psychology. So I'm really grateful I lost that money, because if I didn't lose that money, I would never took that step back to get my mind right, to really start thinking in probabilities, to really start obtain that trader's mindset that I needed to have to continue to trade this funding account long term. That's where I'm at. I know month by month I'm gonna produce consistent results. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep dropping tips for you guys. And it's just a blessing, man. No cap. All right, what's up? Yeah.
All right, $26.90.
Oh shit, I forgot I gotta put it. Here you go. No, I'm good.
All right.
All right.
See you eliminated for you.
Appreciate it.
There you go. Have a great day.
You too. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. I had to get that little Chick-fil-A in this morning after I just did 3% this morning on a gold trade. Gold trade this morning got me feeling pretty good. But even if I would have lost the trade, I still would have been feeling good. Not as good as I'm feeling right now, but still good. But yeah, let me quit driving and making this video. I'm gonna add to it once I get to the house. Man, I just had to leave Walmart and get my girl some flowers, man. I can't lie. If you wanna, you know what I'm saying, be a consistent trader and trade good, don't argue with your girl, don't fight with your girl, because all this shit gonna show on the charts. That's why I'm trying to get right and do right by my girl. I know I appreciate her and love her. I can't lie. I done made my mistakes. I'm only human. So don't judge me, because I don't judge. But at the end of the day, if you want a relationship, appreciate and cherish your partner, man. You never know when your last day will be. A little bit of this one hurts.